Hello everyone and welcome to another YachtWay Spotlight. Today I am going to take you on a full, thorough walkthrough of this 1212 Ghost by Frauscher yachts. Now you may wonder, why do I dress like James Bond? Well, come along and I'll show you why. We're starting our walkthrough all the way from the aft by the swim platform here. And this goes starting with the engine note the moment you turn it on. So here is how it sounds when you turn on the engines on the 1212 Ghost. Now, once you've turned off your engines and you're ready to enjoy the day on the water, that's where all the fun begins. You have a nice lounge area over here. You have stairs that are integrated right underneath. So coming back into the boat from the water is super simple. And of course, you have a nice sunbed, two of them with a walkway in a dead center. Now, what's really neat about this sunbed here is if you lift up right underneath, you have a little latch and you just lift up and underneath you have an oversized storage. And as we keep going forward, you also have two cup holders, one on either side. What's also unique is underneath here, you have a little cubby where you can store your, if you want to put your snorkeling, maybe your snorkel mask, anything small over here, you can do that. And you also have a handheld shower. So when you come back from the water, you can easily and quickly rinse yourself off, ready to get into the boat. You also have a shore power. You have 50 amp shore power on your starboard side, which is great. And of course, also these retractable cleats, which disappear when you push them down. And as we walk now, we get to this social area on the boat. And what's neat is you have tables on both sides. These tables go all the way down, so you can make it look like a coffee table if you want. On your starboard side, what you can do is put this table all the way down and put a cushion on top. So now it becomes a big sunbed, which you can also use on your starboard side and enjoy the vast open views all around you. Absolutely incredible. This boat is all about comfort, and may I say also about laziness. So once you're done with the drink and you don't want to stand up to throw it away, well, I'm glad you have that problem, because you also have a nice trash cubby right underneath the step, so you can throw your little trash, little cups away and they won't fly into the ocean. Now, over here, great place to keep your nitty-gritty. Also has a place to keep all your covers if you need. Now we get to the place that probably interests a lot of people who are interested in sports cars and performance. These seats rotate, which is great. So you can either face back or face forward. And when you're ready to take off, and I really mean it, because this boat goes 50 knots. 50 knots on a 40-foot boat, that's pretty incredible. Your cruising speed around 35 knots, and it gives you 10 hours of cruising, which means converts over 350 nautical miles. And just to give you an idea of how much that is, Bimini is less than 50 miles from Miami, which means you can go back and forth to Bimini 3 times and you still have plenty of fuel left. So this is how economical this boat is. Also, what's the first thing that this boat really reminds you is a classic Porsche or a classic sports car. Nice styles with nice chromes around. And I like that they're not digital, they're homage to the heritage of the brand, and they have all analog gauges. You have your SIMRAD control, which you can change this however way you like. If you want, you can change and see your chart view. You also have your chain counter, or your cockpit lights, underwater lights. Everything is controlled from here. And of course, your mooring winches, your anchors, everything is at your fingertips. Not to mention a joystick, which makes the whole boating with this boat so much easier. Obviously, as you go high speeds, you need a storage to keep all your small things, maybe your phone, your wallet. You can store those nicely away. Audio control and a nice handle for your guest who's sitting maybe not right next to you. You have a nice sink, so if you do need to rinse your hands, you can also do that here. And you also have a fridge. something you should know. This very boat is listed for sale on YachtWay.com. And if you are looking for your perfect boat, then visit YachtWay. It is the best place to find your perfect yacht anywhere in the world. Now, what's cool is the center of gravity of this boat is so low, it makes it drive like nothing I've ever driven before. It's truly like a supercar. Rather than being up or higher, you're so close to the water and it feels so solid on the water. And I want to make some sharp turns over here to show you how nicely it cuts through the water. It's so precise. Wherever you turn your wheel at, the boat is just going to go there. It's unbelievable how well it tracks. We're finally in a place where we can actually put this boat through its paces and hammer down and see how fast we can go and how she performs. Let's go. I mean, immediately it picks up. It's just unbelievable. We're already doing 17, 18, 19, 20 miles an hour. And we haven't even pushed down the throttle. 33. 40 miles an hour. And what's incredible is that our fuel consumption right now is 2 gallons per mile, which is quite remarkable. And we're doing well north of 40 miles an hour. I mean, the handling is unbelievable. I'm full throttle right now and full lock. I mean, unbelievable. Look at this, look at the turning radius. We're suddenly doing 20 miles an hour. It feels like we're standing still. I mean, this is cool. And no wonder that this boat is in James Bond movies, because this is like a true supervillain boat, you know? I mean, so classy, such a European vibe, and at the same time have a performance of a hybrid car. I mean, the way it goes through the waves and the way it tracks is, I mean, full lock throttle, 45 miles an hour, and then full lock to the starboard or port side, and it goes. I mean, this is not. It's not like it's glass outside. There's some chop over here, but you never feel that. It's just, and the pickup is incredible, and you're doing 2 gallons per mile, which is not bad at all. I mean, for a performance boat like this, I mean, you tell me down in the comment section. Can you consider this boat as a performance boat? So this is how you get downstairs on the Frauscher 1212 Ghost. Now, what's unique is it hides all the way into the floor, giving you easy access into the boat. And once we do access, so the first thing you see is you have a fridge all the way on your port side. You have a storage, so you can keep all your cups over here, nitty-gritty. And what's also nice is you have this beautiful lighting, LED lighting that goes all the way across, and the fabric that is like a suede finish, feels super premium, and the flooring is nice teak. And now once you're all the way at the bow over here downstairs, you have a great seating area. It feels comfortable over here. It's nice and bright, feels great. And what's neat is this whole table goes all the way down, and you can put cushions on top, and this becomes your nice sleeping area. You also have a nice storage bin. You can use this as your loo or a restroom. So we go in here. You do have a full standing shower, so you can rinse yourself down. It is a wet head. So you have your toilet, you have a sink, really an oversized mirror, gives a lot of brightness and makes this room feel very spacious. There's a big storage bin, so plenty of place to keep your nitty-gritty needed for your shower time. So right underneath the table on both sides, starboard port side, you have speakers, so you can listen to your favorite music even while you're down here. Now, these being fully custom boats, you can really configure them whichever way you like. So let's say you want to have you know, a cooktop over here. Maybe you want to have a microwave, or maybe you want to have an ice maker. Whatever you like, you can do that. So you just show up at Frauscher, and they will help you configure your dream Frauscher. This was a full, thorough walkthrough of the Frauscher 1212 Ghost. Now, if you're looking to buy this boat or many others, visit YachtWay.com. We have over 300 yachts from around the world listed for sale. And also, if you're looking to maybe explore this boat in 3D or virtually, then visit YachtWay, because YachtWay is the only listing site in the entire world that allows you to browse select boats in virtual reality. And as always, if you like the video, hit the like button down below. If you want to see more, then hit the subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.